good, family? Today I got a very interesting video for y'all, man. This week we have been getting some catering calls from our local Walmarts in the area about their Thanksgiving dinner. So far we have four Walmarts booked this year for Thanksgiving dinner. So it's gonna be very, very interesting, very, very fun. You know, we're gonna see how this goes. That's quite a bit of work. On top of that, this year, I decided to do individual turkey sales for people who need a turkey for Thanksgiving. So damn. I'm also doing that on top of the Walmarts. And I thought this would just be a good time, an interesting time to show you what's possible if you have a food truck business or if you have a catering business. You know, a lot of people like to talk numbers, and that's kind of the most important part of this is like, you know, yeah, I've seen the food truck thing. I thought it was a good idea, but how much money is it really in it? You know, how much money can I really expect to make with this type of business? And I said, this is the perfect opportunity because I always tell people all the time, a lot of our money actually comes from catering. It doesn't come from taking the truck out and, you know, going, what I call going fishing. A lot of it comes from going to companies where you don't have to fish. It's almost like fishing in a bucket. You know what I'm saying? These people are here, they have to eat. I'd rather fish in a bucket than fish in a pond or a lake or an ocean because, you know, the chances that some bite is just a little bit greater in this little bucket, in my opinion. All right, so right off the bat, as you can tell, it's gonna be a lot of supplies necessary. You see, I got my green beans down here, about maybe 13 cans or something like that. I got corn and green beans right here. I got Hawaiian rolls, which we're doing with every plate. Every plate will come with Hawaiian rolls as well as 2 sides, turkey dressing, gravy, and cranberry sauce. So, I mean, we're giving them, like I say, the full Thanksgiving experience. So right off the back, you can see it's a lot, right? But like I said, it's 4 Walmarts. We're serving them each shift. So what that means is we'll be serving night shift, first shift, and second shift. So this is our other refrigerator. As you can see, I got some turkey legs up here. We take those off and we put them in our green beans and things like that. I got a couple turkeys down here that need to be shredded. I got some more turkeys over here that need to be shredded. And just, you know, coleslaw, potato salad, just different things in our other refrigerator. Oh. Wait, I can't just show you guys the prep, right? I mean, I gotta at least make it entertaining. Watch this. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh, it's the cheese for me. It's the cheese for me. What's good, family? You know we back at it, man. We right back at it. So today is the first Walmart. We're headed to the Walmart on Highway 72 right now. Right now, we finna do that first shift. I think I was told that it should be about 70 people. So we getting ready for that right now. I'm headed out there to move the truck and get it in position because I actually won't be there because like I told y'all, we got individual turkey sales going on, and today is the deadline that we set for those turkey sales. So everybody who pre-ordered turkeys with us, today is the day that they're supposed to get their turkeys, or not necessarily get their turkeys, but that tomorrow is the day that they actually get their turkeys, but today is the last day that I had to cook their turkeys. So I'm gonna be putting the truck in position, and then our first team, which is actually gonna be my brother and my homegirl B, they're gonna actually be serving this crew for their lunch, and then I'll be coming back and serving the 5 to 7 crew or the second shift crew. So right now I'm headed out, you know, to Madison to make sure that, you know, everything is in place and everything is ready so that they can, you know, serve these people, you know, without any issue.
I'm gonna be serving, so I ain't gonna get this little footage of no truck. So as y'all can see, we got our corn right here, green beans, dressing. Go see personnel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, she told me just tell me to go see personnel and everything. And she just thought of that, so you feel me? Some people don't know about it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna call today and go over the details of the other one. Yep.
But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the process. You know what I'm saying? They fixing the plates. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go leave and prepare some more food and just make sure that they got everything that they need and get ready for those turkey orders. And you know, that's pretty much it. What's good, family? All right, so we are back for the second store of the week. I've been trying to catch these moments, you know, just as it kind of happens. I never really plan this stuff out. I just do random stuff. So I'm sorry if it's kind of spotty or it's not really cohesive and sequential. You know what I'm saying? Got to use my big words because I'm, you know what I'm saying, handling business right now. So, you know what I'm saying? That's when you start to use your professional lingo and start to talk like that. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, we're at the second Walmart. You know, this is for their first shift. So, that means we came back at 10 a.m. We got everything going. As you can see, we got the food going right here. I'm trying to figure out a way to show you guys these things. But anyways, we're in the middle of it. Everything's going smoothly. For the last two stores, we have been perfect. You know what I'm saying? We haven't ran out of food. We've been on time. You know, everything has been going smoothly. So, I mean, it's just been a great experience. Right now, I just realized that my other string was in and looked weird. Anyways, right now, we have one more shift to try to get through, and then you know, that's pretty much it. We'll be, you know what I'm saying, making it happen from there. Sorry, we got customers, so gotta get back to it. Until next time, guys, peace. What's good, family? We are back. I think this is gonna be just a wrap-up video for the Thanksgiving jobs, where I'm just gonna go over. I realized, you know, after shooting the footage and stuff for the Thanksgiving videos, that I kind of didn't do that great of a job explaining, you know, certain things that I feel like are gonna be questions of people's. One of which being, you know, how do we book the jobs and things like that. So, we've been in business now for about 10 years. Well, probably like 12 now. What you think? I got a bro on here with me too. Anyway, we've been in business now for about 12 years. So, you know, a lot of it is just based on relationships that we made prior to owning a food truck. You know, I used to work at Walmart. My mom works at Walmart. So, you know, when they started getting like food trucks and vendors and having them come out and serve their guests, you know, just naturally we kind of fell up into that space, you know, and we were given the opportunity by one of the managers at one of the local stores near where we stay. We went, we, you know, had one of the best quotes. That's one thing that's very, very important, is you always gotta have a fair price. We see a lot of food trucks come up into the city and think that they're just gonna, you know, price it at whatever and people are gonna support just because they have good food. Well, that's not always kind of really how it works. Majority of the time, people will shop for value over quality. You know, that's why you see McDonald's always has a line, and then some of your favorite restaurants that you might enjoy may not do as great as McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? Because people shop with, you know, shop on a budget a lot of times. So we've always had a very, very good price. That's been something that has helped us throughout the years. So once we kind of sort of got into the network of, you know, catering Walmart, you kind of get passed around. Like each store all the managers at these stores kind of know each other, or you know, went to training with each other, or whatever the case may be. So they're already familiar with each other and things like that. And one store will tell another store, which will tell another store, and then next thing you know, you're in that circle, you know. So that's kind of how we ended up with those jobs. We kind of fell up into that circle, and you know, every year we do at least one. Anyways, I just wanted to do this wrap up video, you know what I'm saying, where I kind of touch on a couple of those things, because I thought those might be some questions that people might have. If you have any more questions about this particular job, just put them up in the comments down below. I will try to get back to it. As you can see, we're currently on the truck right now. So, you know, I work the truck, I, you know, do emails, all kind of stuff, cook and everything else. And, you know, a lot of times it's hard for me to get back to the YouTube channel to respond to people's comments, but I'm trying to make it a conscious effort to do that more. So if you have any questions or concerns, or you just want to know anything, or if you have an idea for the next video, leave it in the comments down below, and I will try to make sure that I get to that. You know what I'm saying? Because this is all about building us up. So that's it, folks. That's all I wanted to say. Tune in next time. I got even more videos coming for you. Say peace, Trey.
Peace.